Have you ever noticed how fast you walk without really thinking about it? Not when you're late, not when you're rushing, but your normal pace, your automatic pace, the speed your body chooses when your mind is elsewhere. Because according to new neurological research, that simple habit might be revealing something deeply unsettling. Something about your brain, something about your future, and possibly how fast you're aging right now. Scientists have discovered that your walking speed isn't just a reflection of physical fitness. It may be one of the earliest and most accurate predictors of cognitive decline, memory loss, neurological aging, and even lifespan. And here's the disturbing part. Many people showing early signs of brain aging have absolutely no idea it's happening, because the warning sign doesn't appear in their thoughts. It appears in their steps. Today, we're going to break down what science reveals about walking speed and brain health, what your pace secretly says about your neurological age, and most importantly, how you can use this knowledge to protect your brain before it's too late. And make sure you stay until the end, because researchers identified a specific walking pattern that may predict dementia years before symptoms appear, and almost nobody is talking about it. Before we go deeper, I want to ask you something simple. When you walk normally, do people usually walk ahead of you, keep pace with you, or struggle to keep up? Take a moment, actually think about it, and while you're thinking, comment below with one word: fast, average, or slow. You might be surprised by what your answer means later in this video. For decades, scientists believed walking speed was just a physical measurement, something linked mainly to muscle strength, joint health, cardiovascular fitness, a mechanical outcome of the body. But in recent years, neurological researchers began noticing a strange pattern. Patients who eventually developed cognitive decline, memory disorders, and neurodegenerative diseases were often walking slower, years before any mental symptoms appeared. This observation triggered massive long-term studies. Researchers began tracking thousands of individuals across decades, across countries, across cultures, across different lifestyles. And what they found shocked the scientific community. Your walking speed may be controlled by your brain far more than your legs. Walking feels automatic, effortless, almost unconscious. But in reality, it's one of the most neurologically complex activities your body performs every single day. Every step requires coordination between your motor cortex, your cerebellum, your spinal cord, your balance systems, your visual processing centers, and even your memory networks. Walking is not just movement. Walking is real-time brain performance. Researchers at Duke University conducted one of the most revealing brain aging studies ever performed. They followed over 1,000 individuals from childhood into adulthood, measuring intelligence, reaction time, mental flexibility, physical health, and yes, walking speed. And what they discovered was deeply unsettling. By midlife, individuals who walked slower showed signs of accelerated brain aging, not subtle changes, but measurable differences in brain structure, processing speed, and executive function. Even more disturbing, brain scans revealed reduced gray matter volume in key cognitive regions among slower walkers. Their brains were physically aging faster. Let that sink in. Your walking pace may reflect how fast your brain is aging inside your skull. But why would walking speed connect so strongly to brain health? To understand that, we need to understand how the brain controls movement. When your brain is healthy, neural communication is fast, efficient, synchronized. Signals travel quickly, muscles respond instantly, balance adjusts automatically, movement flows. But as neurological efficiency begins to decline, even slightly, communication slows. This doesn't always show up as memory loss. Instead, it often appears as subtle motor changes, slight hesitation before stepping, shorter strides, delayed reactions, less coordination between arms and legs. changes so small, most people never consciously notice them. That's why some neurologists now consider walking speed a neurological vital sign. Just like blood pressure, heart rate, body temperature, walking speed is becoming a clinical marker of brain aging. But here's the hopeful part. Walking doesn't just reflect brain health, it actively shapes it. Every step you take influences your brain biology. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen, delivering nutrients, and it stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, often described as fertilizer for your brain. BDNF helps neurons survive. It strengthens neural connections, enhances learning, protects memory, and higher BDNF levels are associated with slower brain aging. One of the most effective ways to increase BDNF naturally: walking. Have you ever noticed that your thinking feels clearer after a walk? That's not coincidence, that's neurochemistry. But walking speed doesn't just predict brain health, it may predict lifespan. A massive analysis published in the Journal of the American Medical Association examined walking speed across populations worldwide. The result was striking. People with faster natural walking speeds consistently lived longer, even after controlling for weight, fitness, medical history. Sometimes, walking speed was stronger a predictor than cholesterol or blood pressure. But faster doesn't mean frantic. The strongest predictor wasn't sprinting, it was your natural pace, your default speed. The speed your brain chooses when you're not thinking about it. That pace reflects your brain's baseline efficiency. And here's what makes this dangerous. Walking speed changes slowly, gradually, over years, which means neurological decline often hides in plain sight, feeling normal while signaling change. Researchers identified specific walking changes linked to brain aging: reduced stride length, slower rhythm, irregular timing, reduced arm swing, and difficulty multitasking while walking. That last one is critical. Walking while talking requires complex brain integration. Difficulty doing both simultaneously is one of the earliest red flags. But walking speed is not destiny, it's modifiable. Studies show that gradually increasing walking speed can improve brain function. Neural efficiency improves, motor planning sharpens, neuroplasticity increases. Walking becomes brain training. And environment matters. Nature walks enhance brain restoration more than urban settings. They reduce stress hormones, improve mood regulation, strengthen memory. Your brain evolved to move through nature, and it remembers that. Remember that walking pattern linked to dementia risk? Inconsistent pace, inconsistent rhythm, speeding up, slowing down without reason. Consistency reflects neural stability. Rhythm reflects coordination. So, next time you walk, pay attention, not just to where you're going, but how you're moving. Because your steps aren't just taking you somewhere. They're revealing a quiet conversation between your brain and your body. A conversation shaped by time, by habits, by choices. Your walking speed may be a warning, but it's also an opportunity, an early signal, a chance to intervene. So let me leave you with this. If your steps could tell you how your brain is aging, would you listen? And more importantly, would you change how you walk through life? Because sometimes the smallest habits carry the biggest warnings. And the quiet rhythm of your footsteps may be telling a story your brain hopes you'll hear before it's too late.